How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I got a question from a subscriber, how to get a deeper voice. So I figured I would give you some tips in 3 minutes, a quick tutorial. So for getting a deeper voice, my voice, if you guys watch my first year of making videos, my voice was actually a lot higher pitched. It's now a lot lower, just from doing some simple things. The first one, if you want a deep voice all the time, you really need to start breathing through your stomach or your diaphragm as opposed to your chest. What happens is when you normally breathe, your chest rises. What you want to do trying to get a deeper voice is you actually want, when you're breathing out, you want your stomach to move out. So what you want to do is you want to do this. When I do that, every single time my stomach moves forward and then it comes back. So you inhale and then your stomach moves back, and then when you exhale, your stomach moves forward. Your chest remains the same. That's how you can kind of tell if you're doing it right. Now, I like to do different exercises though, kind of like a little workout. So that's what I like to do. I like to do little workouts for this because another key step in getting a deeper voice is strengthening your neck muscles. By having stronger neck muscles, it can help with the deeper voice. Not everyone who has a strong neck is going to have a deep voice. It just helps out. So what you can do is simple neck exercises that I'd love to do. So I'll do a little workout with you guys. First exercise that we're gonna do is we're gonna look up and then down, 10 reps. So 1, 2, 3, and this is all you need. You just need simple exercises like this. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need to use weights, just simple neck exercises. And every time I did that exercise, I felt it in the back of my neck and I felt it right in here. So that's perfect. We're getting the back of the neck, we're getting the front of the neck. Now, what I also recommend to do is to kind of get the side of the neck. So that's why another simple exercise that we can do is turning our head. So just like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's another really good workout that we can do. Another great exercise that we can do is turning our heads in circular motions like this. So just do this, 1, 2, 3, and then go 3 the other way. 1, 2, 3. I don't like to do more than about 3 reps on each side because then I get super dizzy. Also, what I recommend to do is practice doing the breathing, again, with your stomach. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Just like that, you guys. Practice. This will help you get a deeper voice, I guarantee you. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.